So inside of my speaker folder, and let me make this bigger, what you will see is I have, where is it? Initial, I think is what it's going to be called. So I have a initial inquiry response letter that I send. I have a once I'm hired letter I send, and then I have a aftercare letter. Is it say aftercare that I send? So let's click on this aftercare letter. This aftercare letter, one, I'm asking them to give me a recommendation on LinkedIn. I'm sending them an evaluation, and I'm giving them additional resources. I copy and paste this. Now I can copy and paste this in a text or an email. So your scripts, whether you're rehearsing them or not, because you don't have to say them, you still want to have that language. What do you want to say and do repeatedly, time and time again? So just in my speaker folder, just when I'm talking to education directors, I have everything in that one folder to communicate effectively with anyone who is looking to hire me. I want to make sure that I always have everything that I need in order to do my